बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पेपर इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, क्लास एमएससी प्रीवियस। आज का ये लेक्चर मॉर्निंग इवनिंग दोनों क्लासेस के लिए है, जिसमें हम कॉम्प्लेक्सेस ऑफ पाई एक्सेप्टर लिगेंड्स के बारे में इब्तदाई मालूमात हासिल करेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन टू कॉम्प्लेक्सेस ऑफ पाई एक्सेप्टर ligands. A characteristic features of the d block transition metal atom is their ability to form complex with a variety of neutral molecule in addition of charged ligands. For example, carbon monoxide, isocyanide, substituted phosphine, arsine, nitric oxide, etc., and with various molecules with delocalized pi orbital such as pyridine, 110 phenanthroline, etc. Complexes form as a result of attractions of the metal ion for electron pair on the ligand. Ligands are the charged or uncharged electron pair donor atom or molecules which are bonded to the central metal atom or ion. Ammonia, water, carbon monoxide, and nitric oxide are examples of uncharged or neutral ligands, while OH negative, Cl minus, NO plus, etc. are charged ligands. One of the most important things for the formation of complexes is what type of orbitals are available on the metal ion to accept electron pair. Second thing is the charge to size ratio of the metal ion. As a general rule, metal ion of high charge density tends to form complexes in which the coordination number are higher. Complexes of pi acceptor ligand. In complexes of pi acceptor ligands, the metal ions are in low, positive, zero, or even negative formal oxidation state. It is a characteristic of the ligand that they can stabilize low oxidation states. This property is associated with the fact that these ligands have vacant pi orbital in addition to lone pairs. Vacant pi orbital accept electron density from filled metal orbitals. These vacant pi orbital accept electron density from filled metal orbital to form a type of pi bonding that supplements the sigma bonding arising from lone pair donation. High electron density on the metal ion can thus be delocalized onto ligands. The ability of the ligand to accept electron density into low-lying empty pi orbital is called pi acidity or pi acceptor capacity. Why we use term pi acidity? The term pi acidity is derived from the Lewis concept, where a species capable of accepting lone pair of electron is called an acid. The typical examples of pi acceptor ligands are carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, isocyanide, and certain unsaturated organic compounds. Isoelectronic ligands, ligands which are isoelectronic. Isoelectronic means the same, having same electronic configurations. Neon atomic number 10, Fe atomic number 9, Fe9 atomic number 9, O minus 2 atomic number 8, sodium atomic number 11 in the form of +1. All these species have same electron. As a result, Fe minus, O minus 2, Na plus are isoelectronic to neon, such as NO Cn minus would be just as suitable for pi bonding. But the charge on the ligand has to be taken into consideration. Thus, NO plus with a positive charge is a stronger pi acceptor than CO, while Cn minus is weaker one. The ability to accept back donation decreases in the following order. Important pi acceptor ligand. The most important pi acceptor ligand is carbon monoxide. The electronic configuration of carbon monoxide molecule shows that it has a lone pair of electron on carbon and oxygen atoms both. Carbon atom can donate its electron pair to a transition metal M, forming OC-M coordinate bond. The compound formed by the combination of carbon monoxide molecule with the transition metals are known as metallic carbonyl or simply carbonyl. The transition metal derivative of carbon monoxide are called carbonyl. Carbonyl derivative of at least one type are known for all the transition metals: nickel tetracarbonyl, iron pentacarbonyl, chromium hexacarbonyl. कार्बोनाइल के बारे में हम डिटेल से भी डिस्कशन करेंगे, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में का कोई एक कार्बोनाइल पूछ के उसकी केमिस्ट्री डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए भी सवाल आता है. Importance of carbonyl. Many carbonyls are of considerable structural interest as well as being important industrially and in catalytic and other reaction. इस चैप्टर के तमाम पॉसिबल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और एक्सटेंसिव क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर के अख्ताम पर दिए जाएंगे. इस लेक्चर में से सिर्फ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, जैसा कि व्हाट आर पाई एक्सेप्टर complexes, what are pi acceptor ligands, give their characteristic features, define term pi acidity, what are acid ligands, what do you mean by back donation. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही, क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इससे ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकता. God bless us all. Amin. Thank you.